All righty, my practicum friends. Last week, you did the ASQSE on one of the children in your classroom. So you either interviewed the parent or you interviewed the teacher, and you identified that there was a concern with that child. And then this week, what you're doing is you're offering a strategy on how to help out with that. Okay, so that was the social emotional domain. La semana pasada hiciste esta entrevista en uno de los niños en tu salón y hiciste la entrevista con el padre o si no con su maestra. Y de ahí notaron que sí hay una área que el niño necesita ayuda. So, esta semana vas a ofrecer una estrategia para ayudar la maestra o la familia acerca de ese niño. Next, we are moving along here. So now we're on week 12. Holy crap, right? So we are going to be looking at the dramatic play area under the approaches to learning domain. Esta semana vamos a mirar la área de jugar que se va a enfocar en el dominio de aprendizaje. So when we click on this, here's the assignment. There's actually a video already here with the instructions on how to do this. So if you don't want to go back to this video on the assignment, there is a video, but I will still tell you anyway what we're doing. Mira, hay un video aquí que puedes mirar si no quieres mirar esta otra vez. All right. So again, start with number one. Empieza con el número uno. Number one. What do we do? We're going to conduct a play checklist, and I want you to do it on at least 4 children in the classroom. If you've only got like 6 kids, maybe do it on all 6. But some of you guys have about 20 kids in your classroom, so you only need to pick 4 of the children in the classroom. So vas a hacer esta checklist. Necesitas hacerlo por lo menos en 4 niños. Si no tiene tantos niños, puedes hacerlo entonces como 6. Pero si tiene como 20 niños en el salón, entonces solo necesitas hacerlo por lo menos en 4 niños. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make a copy of this for each of the children. And then, if you want to color code it, maybe say you're going to do child A is going to be in red, child B is going to be in blue, and then you use a marker in red to do child A and a marker in blue to do child B. Hey, that totally works out if you want to save on paper. But what you're doing is you're spending time getting to know how that child plays. Este checklist vas a notar y vas a observar cómo esos 4 niños, cómo ellos juegan. Okay, so vas a pasar tiempo observando. So this is your observation is what it is. Because remember, all good teachers observe first to get to know how the kids are doing. So you're observing this week and you're doing the checklist. Esta semana vas a observar y vas a usar este checklist para hacer esa observación. So then, after you've done your observation, you look over the results and write down a couple of things that you noticed about those 4 children. So aquí vas a escribir la diferenciación, cuántas cosas que puedes comparar de esos niños que hiciste la checklist. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the dramatic play area in your classroom, and then you're going to tell me a little bit about it. So do you have a dramatic play area? How often are the kids there? So I want you to kind of think about it and notice how long the children are there and all that stuff. And then you're going to take a picture of that area and put it in. What I need you to do then is you are going to come up with at least 3 ideas of what you could do for a dramatic play area. So again, I want effort on this. I don't want you to say, well, maybe I'll just bring some pots and pans and, a pot and a pan and that's about it. Oh, no, my friends. Again, I have links here on what you can do to make things different, but I want at least 3 ideas of what you could do to create a different type of dramatic play area. So, que vas a hacer es observar los niños y hacer el play checklist. Entonces, yo quiero que tú también mira el área de dramatic play, donde los niños pueden jugar, que es el área dramático. Yo quiero que tú entonces marca aquí, escribe la información y toma una foto del área. ¿Qué vas a hacer entonces? Si tú vas a ofrecer algo diferente para los niños en la área dramática, yo tengo ideas aquí y tú vas a escribir por lo menos 3 ideas aquí. So, yo no quiero que tú me digas, oh, yo voy a poner una olla más y eso es todo. No, 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 no. Yo quiero ver una diferencia. So what you're going to do is you're observing this week, and then the following week, you're going to actually take one of your ideas, only one. You wrote down 3 ideas, but you're going to take one and you're going to offer a new experience, is what you're going to do. So basically, you're kind of redoing the dramatic play area. And as I said here, remember, pretending is a huge thing for this group. So if you happen to have like a big box at your house, or you could get your hands on a big box, maybe you could pretend it's a car or a spaceship or a boat. Maybe shoe boxes can be houses for pets, and then create a pet store. Maybe create a space, outer space. Maybe create a car area. So you create a new dramatic play experience is what you're going to do for the next week. And then obviously you're going to reflect on it. So this week you're observing, then next week you're going to offer something new. So yo tengo ideas aquí que tú puedes, no olvida que estos niños les gustan a pretender. So si tienes una caja bien grande en la casa o puedes coger una caja grande, tú puedes usar esa caja para pretender que esa caja es un carro o yo no sé cómo decir spaceship. Um, o tú puedes coger cajas de zapato y pretender que son casitas para diferentes animales. Y tú puedes tener un tienda de animales en su área de dramático. Si yo quiero que tú creas algo nuevo, algo diferente para los niños, y eso va a ser la semana después. Okay, después que tú observas, tú necesitas ofrecer algo nuevo y eso es que yo quiero, por favor. So, tú ofreces algo nuevo y entonces siempre, como siempre, tienes que hacer una reflexión en qué hiciste. So, you're always going to need to then reflect after it's all done. Lots and lots of fun. So you guys are working on approaches to learning, which is going to be in the dramatic play area for this week. Have lots of fun with this, you guys. I look forward to it. Don't forget to take a before picture and take an after picture. So I need to see the pictures. If I don't see the pictures, you get 0 points. I need to see the pictures of what you have done because I want to see a huge difference. Necesitas tomar fotos de antes y de después, porque yo necesito ver una diferencia bastante grande para darte los puntos. Ok, que tengas un buen tiempo con esto. Bye bye.